Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on Gcash account. Let's get started. First, open the Gcash app and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, at the top, you'll see your name or mobile number. Tap on that to view your account details. Then, scroll down and look for the message about updating your contact info. Tap the link that says you can edit your name and birth date. Then you'll be redirected to official instructions page. Follow the steps. Usually this involves uploading a valid ID and submitting a request form through the app or Gcash Help Center. Keep in mind that Gcash only allows name changes if you have a verified account and a valid reason like a typo, legal name change, or marriage. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.